Kenny, I don't got time for this. We're innovating here, we're moving, we're shaking. Team effort, everybody put it together. Everybody throws in here. And even if they don't want to throw in, they got to throw in. It's a team effort, that's what we do. We excel here at Nomadic Innovations. We're building, we're shaking, we're moving. I got to get to my office, Kenny. Let's go, Kenny, let's go. Everything's in line, orders are taken care of for the day. All the departments are running on 100%, full cylinders, everything's a go here. It's a great day. We're growing exponentially. We have room for all sorts of needs here. There's no ceiling here. Sky's the limit. Growing, moving, shaking. We're looking for tech support. We're looking for engineers. We're looking for graphic artists. We're looking for management. We're building and growing so fast here. We're looking for a new building. We're looking for 100,000 square feet we need to move into. Anybody got 100,000 square feet building for sale in Elkhart, Indiana? We need it.
My name is Nick Sontek. I'm a new software developer here at Nomadic. I joined not too long ago, like last holiday season. I started out things here by taking over our inventory systems, just making sure that all the processes we had were making our inventory and management as efficient as possible. So I've been managing, creating new storage locations, and making sure the next time we do it, it's going to be even more seamless and more streamlined. So Jonathan had the idea of putting everything in a cage out here. This is all our control panels and other smaller devices that we put inside of our units and boxes. All of our magnetic labels on them, just to let it know at like a glance, especially when you're packing orders and everything, of what it is and what you're looking at. No matter the variation, no matter the voltage, it tells you exactly what's right here in front of you. All this stuff is just varied stuff we have for each unit, anything they need to fix the units or anything they need to like put anything together on a claim. As our business is growing, we just want to keep pushing forward and do it in a fast manner, but also controlled. So these are all of our new S1 units. No matter the voltage or color, they're all in one area. So we have new racking labels to let us know exactly where it is. It's more on top of that streamlined mentality. In here we have our X2 Helixes. We have black and then white. Here we have our X3 Helix units. Up here we have our non-Helix units, some mixed in with the Helix on the left side, but they're still cut at a certain point to make sure that we know where to stop looking. Especially for newer warehouse employees, it makes it a lot easier for us to find these new or different products. In here, we have our open box units. So if we get returns and like we just want to make repairs on them and so they can go out at a reduced price, here's all of those. Again, we have colored sticky notes on them and labels to let us know what exactly we're looking at and for when we're trying to find the unit we need and we see it in our inventory programs. On this side, we have stuff for repairs, DIY kits. Over here, we have all of our stuff for awnings, all broken down into the sizing and A1 or A2, just to let every warehouse worker know where the things are when we need them. And over here, we have our accessories for the awnings. And that's about it.
You know, the day starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. Before you know it, it's 5 o'clock at night. We're still here till 7. Everybody's excited about everything going on here. We can't wait for tomorrow. We're excelling, we're moving, we're shaking. Come on in, Kenny. Let me show you the way. Keep up, Kenny.
My name's King. Apparently I'm a graphic designer. This is some awning for social media, kind of highlighting some of the features and awareness for the A1 series awning. It's got legs, so it's grounded. It's important to feel grounded nowadays.
I work here as a software engineer, developing user interfaces for all of our products. I'm working on the I/O board. So it basically has 6 different switches where you can operate them individually. This is our new product awning. This is hooked up in our warehouse to one of the green machine. I can operate right from here. Right now it's extending and you can see awning is moving out. We have a mall where you can directly shop our products right from here. It's controlled through Alexa.
Well, we have a new addition. We have Blue. Blue is the new dog here. She's got a star trailer in the corner. She's hoity-toity. She's got big needs, big demands. So we're excited to have her here. We're dog friendly. Everybody has dogs. She'll probably be sleeping most of the day. She answers the door once in a while. Not much of a security dog, but looks great in nomadic colors.
For this, basically I'm trying to grab different views of one of our Sprinter RVs. We're developing a new touchscreen. So basically we want you to be able to see your RV on the touchscreen and be able to interact with it in different views. In the home screen of the touchscreen, you're gonna see the basic view of your RV. Let's say you're switching lights, it's gonna switch to a different view maybe. This isn't the final product, but there's going to be a cutout of this, and then it'll show all of your lights, and then maybe your bed, your AC, and you'll be able to click different sections of your RV and control different parts of your RV. See, this is the top-down view I was talking about, where you have your bed, and then you have different parts of your RV, and you'll be able to set like your set point for your heating or cooling. So this is one of our prototypes, not final design yet, but you're gonna see the state of your batteries in your RV. You're gonna see your fresh water, gray water, all of that kind of thing. You're gonna be able to set different profiles within the RV, so.
It will make people's life easier, like all these being able to remotely monitor things. My name is Ankit. I am a software engineer here. I write software for some of our devices here that we're trying to plug it in as smart home or smart appliances for RVs. The product I'm working right now is this DC to DC converter. Can do 48 to 12, 12 to 48. It can work on its own, but what we're trying to achieve is also remote control through our Nomadic Controls application, for which we're using these gateways. Basically what I'm doing is, these are CAN gateways, and these can talk over CAN through these wires. Like right now it's plugged into this computer. It allows me to test some things manually. I can plug in certain numbers. Hey, output 48 volts by taking in 12 volts. I can do all that changes over here. And then I monitor the data, the kind of data it accepts or sends back. And I use that, all the information I can get from this software to develop a software that we can make it able for users to be able to control through their phone.
We made the first real look at what the V-Series would end up looking like. It gave a lot of people a solid idea of what was coming in the future. It has such an iconic grab to it. You could see the hexagons. They're very eye-catching, and I thought that was such a cool thing to grab onto when I was making a lot of the graphics that we use for it. We started implementing those hexagons as a part of our global branding. It was a challenge in taking something that was so very new, from papers on a table to a physical object that you can handle. We got just a big box out in the warehouse one day, and I got to see what I had been just messing around with on a computer screen. Super cool to be able to witness.
Oh, see, nobody's around, everybody's working. That's what we like. Now I get to sit down and go through a couple hundred emails. This is what I do. Answer emails, talk to people, talk to customers, love phone conversations with customers. We're real personal here. We appreciate all the phone calls. Anybody can call in, any questions. You get a live person on the phone with you. So I'm emailing this nice, kind gentleman to phone me if he's available. He's like, what? Phone call? You guys take phone calls? Absolutely, I can call you if you want, sir. What time are you available? Boss is demanding, expects this much out of everybody. Where am I? Here. Room for improvement, Kenny. This is where I am. This is where I need to be. Nomadic Innovations. This is what we do, baby.